Hey guys, what's up? Happy Friday. Hope everyone's having a great day. I'm here to tell you a little bit about Verizon Ellipsis Hotspot. It's perfect for internet on the go. It's by America's best network, no annual contracts. Verizon. I do not have Verizon as my cell provider, but that doesn't matter. You know, you could use this no matter what, and it provides you with internet. Okay, so inside you will see Meet Your Jetpack. Let's open this up. Okay, so it comes with these 3 packets: product safety and warranty information, consumer information about radio frequency emissions, responsible driving, and Meet Your Jetpack, Ellipsis Jetpack. So you do want to make sure, you know what, I had this charged. I guess I forgot to shut it off. I had it charged last time fully. I used it, but I don't know if the battery died kind of quick or whatever, but I should have just shut it off after. That would have been a better idea. So it's the charging port, power menu button. This is what it looks like here. If you open up the back, gives you the SIM card slot and the factory reset button. It says for settings and info, connect and visit the website. And it gives you the model number, made in China, designed in California. Please use only an approved charger to charge your jetpack, and proper handling of the charging port, as well as the use of an incompatible charger may cause damage to your device and void the warranty. So this is great because it just gives you some information on installing the SIM card. I have it only connected to my iPad because I don't know. I mean, I could connect it to my phone, I guess, if I wanted to, but I specifically had it so I could use the iPad on the go. I have the iPad Air that launched in 2017 or 2016. Works absolutely perfect with that. And then there's the number you could call for warranty replacements of your wireless device. And you can see, like, it's like, honestly, I mean, like, of course with the cord it's bigger, but it fits, and I have small hands, and it fits in, like, it fits right in my hand. So just to give you an idea of how big it actually is. It's very small. I just like leave it in my purse, and I don't even take it out unless, of course, I need to have it plugged into the outlet. So very simple to use once you get the hang of it, but of course just you follow all the instructions. Basically, literally all you have to do is hook your iPad or whatever, your laptop, whatever you're using, to the hotspot with your password. And I took a picture of it, so I always have it with me because, you know, I don't know it by heart. And yeah, then it's easy to use. And then every time you're, you know, away and you need to use the internet, and maybe a place doesn't have Wi-Fi or internet's not accessible, you have your hotspot with you, and it just makes life so much easier for work or whatever the case is. Maybe you travel a lot for work and you need the internet. It's great for that. So this was Verizon Ellipsis Hotspot. I hope you guys try it out. I hope you found the video useful. And if you need any more information, you'll have this whole info brochure that comes with your jetpack. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope everyone enjoys the rest of their day. Have a good one.